Hi, Sarah Banas here, Simply Sarah, Made Easy. I'm going to show you something really neat. So I'm going to show you how to make absolutely amazing hard-boiled eggs that are perfect every single time. Totally takes the guesswork out. You'll never have to worry about an overdone or underdone egg again. Simple formula. So let's get to work. Okay, so what I'm gonna do first is I'm going to boil my water. No eggs in, just boil the water. Okay, so let me put the lid on it. I'm gonna link these pans that I'm using in the video description. I just got them maybe about a month and a half ago, and I absolutely love them. The non-stick on these is like nothing I've ever used before. They're just fantastic pans. So we're gonna let this be, we're gonna walk away, we're gonna let this come to a boil, and when it comes to a boil, we'll come back and we'll put our eggs in. Okay, so our water has come to a boil. I have removed the lid. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna take my eggs, okay, and I'm going to scoop them so that I don't burn myself. And then I'm gonna lay them down very carefully so they don't crack. Okay, and now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to set a timer for 13 minutes, okay? So give me just 1 second, let me get my timer up. So I'm gonna set my timer for 13 minutes. And I'm gonna let these cook uncovered for exactly 13 minutes. We'll come back in 13 minutes and I'll show you the next step. Okay, so here we are. It's been 13 minutes. I'm going to take the cover. I'm going to actually move this away just a little bit so that it's not steaming up my phone. I'm going to take the cover off of this. Okay. And let's put the cover over here. Okay. And now what we're going to do, I have an ice bath, an ice and water, so I guess that's an ice bath prepared. Let me grab a spoon. So this is my ice bath, okay? And what we're gonna do is we're just gonna scoop these out of here. And we're gonna drop them into our ice bath. And if you follow this exact recipe, like I said, you'll have a perfect egg every single time. You're never, ever, ever gonna have to worry about it again. They'll come out perfect every single time. Okay, so now let's go over to the island and we will talk about how long they should be in the ice bath. Okay, so here we are. We have our eggs in the ice bath. We're gonna let these sit for about an hour, hour and a half. An hour if you don't have the time, an hour and a half if you do. Okay, so we're gonna come back here in an hour and a half and we're gonna cut one of these open and I'm gonna show you how beautiful it is. Okay, so here we are. We have our 4 eggs. I should have actually shown you how I peel eggs because there's a very easy way to get a perfect peel on eggs so they don't get all dinged up when you're doing it. Real quickly, I'll tell you, and then I'll make a video of it at a later date. But what you do is you take the egg in the shell and you crack it. You crack it all the way around, right? Paying a special attention to right here where there's a little air bubble. Okay, but you crack it all the way around. And then under running water in your sink, to flip it upside down so you have that air bubble place. And then you flick that part of the shell off, right? So you get there, and then what you do is you real carefully keep like kind of rubbing it a little bit, and then you get underneath that membrane, and with the water running, that membrane gets underneath, the water gets under the membrane, and the shell will just slip right off. So that's how you get, and then just keep running the water until you have the whole shell off, rinse it off, and put it to the side. And then you have a perfect peel on it too, okay? So let's go ahead and cut one of these open, and you can see how nice it is inside. Perfect inside. And that is how you get a perfect egg. You see how nice that is? And that's it. That's all there is to it. That is I don't know if you can see. That's it. It's perfect. That is a perfect, perfect egg. And they're all perfect. Every single one of these will be perfect. They'll all be the exact same. Nice, perfect inside. Everyone. Everyone, every time. No more guessing at perfect eggs. That's the formula. That's how you make them. So if the video is helpful, like the video. That helps me out a lot. Subscribe to my channel. You'll get notification when the new videos come out. Excuse me. You'll get notification when the new videos come out. Lots of neat things coming up, so you're not going to want to miss out on those. And I mean, that's it. If you have any questions at all, ask them in the video description, and I hope you have a great day. Bye.